Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Square ACH with Jotform. This integration allows you to accept bank transfers directly through your forms, which is perfect for collecting payments without the need for credit cards. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms and integrations. Once you're logged in, look to the upper left of the page and click on My Workspace. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will show you all the forms you've created so far, but today we're going to build a new one from scratch. Next, click the Create Form button in the upper left corner of the page. You'll see several options appear, but for this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose the Classic Form option. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. Now we need to add the Square payment element to your form. In the left panel, click Add Element to open up the element library. Navigate down to the Payments section and you'll see various payment options available. Click on or drag the Square element into your form. This is what will enable the Square payment processing. After adding the Square element, click on Payment Properties to configure the integration. In the right panel, you'll see a yellow button prompting you to connect your account. Click this button, then type in a connection name that makes sense to you. Something like My Square Account works perfectly. After that, click Connect with Square. You'll be redirected to log in to your Square account. Enter your Square credentials to establish the connection between Jotform and Square. Keep in mind that in order to enable all the features we're about to set up, you must complete this connection first. Since I don't have a Square account for this demonstration, I'll show you the next steps, assuming the connection is already established. Once your Square account is connected, you'll need to set the payment type from the drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits your needs, whether it's a one-time payment, subscription, or donation. Next, set the currency from the drop-down menu. Make sure you select the currency that matches your business location and customer base. Now choose a customer email field from your form. This ensures that payment confirmations are sent to the right person. If you prefer to authorize payments first and capture them later, you can enable the authorization only option instead. Here's the crucial part for ACH pay. In the Payment Methods section, check the box next to ACH Bank Transfer. This enables customers to pay directly from their bank accounts, which often has lower processing fees than credit cards. Finally, click Preview Form at the upper right of the page to test your setup. This allows you to see exactly how your form will appear to users and make sure everything is working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully set up Square ACH payments with Jotform, giving your customers a convenient way to pay via bank transfer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.